Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, March 31st, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, to gain access to all the benefits listed below and more. So, anyways, if we go up to the daily time frame, I think we are very clearly back into an uptrend. I think we are going up for wave C of wave B. Now, that doesn't mean we're not going to have some big pullbacks. I think this is likely an ABC correction to the uptrend. So, I would expect it to end up looking something like this for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably a 5 wave impulsive move to the upside for wave C of B. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I definitely am looking at this right here as 5 waves down for A. This to me seems very, very clearly to be 3 waves up for B. I think this is a 1, 2. We're probably in a wave 3, 4, 5 of wave C. I bet this wave C is going to give us a breakout structure, which will attract a lot of sellers, probably right before it actually starts to rally back up for the continuation of the uptrend. I even think this might even end up being a wave 1, and this is like a big ABC of 2, and eventually we're going to make a wave 3, which I think is the wave 3 of C of B on the daily, weekly time frame. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.